I told you when red means go, that we ain't stopping for no red light. We gon' take what's ours. We gon' get to it and get everything we deserve. Right. Forgotten society. Take Marley. Red means go.
Chef Curry with the 3-ball, still go hard in the paint.
Hard in the paint.
Huddle up on 3, let's do it for a little sack.
Let's do it for a little shake.
Just do it, cause they telling me it can't.
Cause they telling me it can't, let's not.
I done shed my tears, only right, I laugh to the bank, laugh to the bank. Can't stop for a red light.
Red light, red light.
Still above Bo Kanye, can't wait till my bread right.
Can't wait till my
Bad boy
right,
sucking
right,
out 5. The head right, Molly there at night. Young king from the field and I stay fly. Pull up, only question with the bed light. Kill pussy, it ain't got 9 lives. Hard tumble like a
YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. I'm feeling pretty good, so I hope you guys feel just as good, if not better. I'm back with another video, another review, another shoe. That shoe happens to be a New Balance, and that New Balance happens to be another collab. And it's all thanks to the good folks over at Kith. Back on July 10th, they gave me early access to another release, and it's always much appreciated. I really wish other brands and other retailers would find creative ways to make the consumer experience better, but not going down that road today. Kith is celebrating their Ronnie Fieg for New Balance 10th year anniversary, and they did so by releasing a nice little 3-pack of RC 1300s. The 3 colorways consisted of the antler, the white pepper, and these elephant skin.
I just wanna get my lease up. On the road to the riches, disobeying street signs live. Chef Curry with the 3-ball, still go hard in the paint.
Hard in the paint.
I promise you guys, I'm not gassing y'all up, not even a little bit. But I honestly have not touched suede this soft on a pair of sneakers all year. Maybe in forever. And I know New Balance is known for having high quality materials and having premium suede, but the suede on these shocked the hell out of me. And I can only hope that it comes through that way on the camera. Now, the gray suede runs throughout a majority of the uppers, and then it's accompanied by gray mesh. That gray mesh is going to be on your toe box area, as well as in your mid-panel areas. And the mesh materials are exceptionally soft as well.
Yeah, high step to the end zone. We been on. Young king from the east side. Still good on the west end. Don't run up on my G-Ride. When my dudes lose go. Best friend. Great later, fuck less than. Count money in, bless it.
Kith and New Balance did not stop by just having the suede and mesh uppers be the only high quality materials on these RC 1300s. They added in light cream colored leather materials as well. The leather used on the tongue is super soft and plush. There's a tag at the top of the tongue that has a New Balance logo in the middle, and the words New Balance, Kith Classic, RC 1300, and Just Us going around in a circle. And then on the lateral and medial side end logos, they use a thicker cut leather. The leather feels a little bit more premium. And then to top it off, inside of those end logos, you have a bunch of Kith logos as well. Gotta love the detail. And lastly, on the back heels, that soft plush leather is back again. The only difference now is that on your left heel, the word Kith is pressed in, and then on your right heel, the word Fieg is pressed in. These are the 3 details that I would consider the standouts of these 1300s.
No hope like a Knicks fan. No we and I. Just mad cause I been him.
that nigga.
Young king from the east side.
The remaining details and features that are going to complete the uppers on these RC 1300s will start with the New Balance logo that is stitched in on the right shoe that is close to the toe box. In that same area on your left shoe, it's a stitched in flying character. Now this pair is going to come with 3 lacing options. You guys know I love having the options of changing out laces. They come laced with the light cream color laces, and then you have options of gray, which matches the uppers, and then the brown, which will match the outsole. From there, the inside lining of the sneaker is done in white, so that's going to be hell to keep clean. But down at the bottom, you have these pretty cool brown insoles that if you were to put them together, which nobody's ever going to do, it does create that flying character that you have on your left sneaker by the toe box. And down at the bottom of that insole is a stitched in tag that says Kith Classics 1300. I personally love a stitched in tag on the insole rather than the pressed in like logos and fonts, because you don't never have to worry about them coming off.
The head right, Molly there, at night. Young king from the field and I stay fly. Pull up, only question with the bed light. Kill pussy, it ain't got nine lives. Hard timing like a Nissan. Then bring that's Tim man.
When you get down to the bottom of the shoe, they do become a bit bulky, and I'm not a big fan of that. The end cap reveal midsoles are done in light gray, and close to the heel area, the midsoles then become decoupled, and below that you have like a hiker boot, Adidas-esque feeling brown outsole. And when you pair that with the midsole, for the most part, you do have a comfortable experience. But I feel like the medial side, where the arc of your foot is a bit flimsy, and you don't get the greatest support.
Tell her I don't wanna own it. I just wanna get my lease on. On the road to the riches, disobeying street side. Same finger in the fuck you, same finger in the peace sign. Can't stop.
Aside from the ALD Botanical Pack, I've never been a huge fan of the New Balance 1300s, and the RC version of them have always looked weird to me, and I think it's because they have a runner slash lifestyle slash sneaker trail look to them, and it's not my thing. From a sizing standpoint, these are not going to be like your regular New Balances. It's a bulky shoe. They run big. If you have a narrow foot, you're going to need to go down a half size. If you have a wide foot like I do, you might be able to get away with true to size, but depending on how you like your sneakers to fit. I like mine to fit on the snug side, so for me to wear these comfortably, I'd have to go down to half size. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm giving these a 2. I'm not a big fan of the silhouette, but the materials are amazing. I can only hope that my Kith 990 V2's Spring 2 collection had this suede, but they don't. The retail was $175. If you paid $175, it was worth every penny. If you didn't, because they sold out on release day, the resale is not too bad. You should be able to pick these up around $300. But hit the comments, let me know what you guys think about them. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm releasing new videos, and also follow my Instagram. I'm out.
I just wanna get my lease on. On the road to the riches, disobeying street side. Same finger in the fuck you, same finger in the